everybody, welcome back to Dave's Garage. I'm Dave, this is my garage. We got something special for you today. With every repair, we're giving away a free puppy. Well, not really. This is my little puppy, this is Ace. And Ace just wanted to make an appearance on video. So now that Ace has made his appearance, we're gonna let him go, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be fixing today. Today we're gonna be fixing this vehicle right here, and there's a little backstory behind this vehicle. So about 8 years ago, I was shoveling snow in the dead of winter, and the kid rolls up on his BMX bike. Kid was like 12, 13, and asked if I needed some help shoveling my walkway. So I said I did, and then when we were done, he told me that he was going to shovel the retirement community's walkway in the town we live in. So I hopped on in the back of his BMX bike on his pegs and grabbed my shovel, and then we drove down and I helped this kid shovel some snow. This young man is grown up now, and he's got his first nice car. This is an Altima, Nissan Altima, and he had a little boo-boo with it. So he backed into a pole and he did pretty severe damage, and I'm gonna try to fix this for this young man. Now this guy's just getting started out, so if he turns this into his insurance company and takes it to a body shop, the kid's just gonna get crushed on his premiums. I think I can help him out, and I wanna save the kid some time and effort going through the insurance company. I'm gonna try to fix this for him in my garage. Now this is super, super severe, and I'll walk you through it here in just a minute as we say goodbye to Ace. Say bye, Ace. Okay, Ace is inside, he's taking a nap, and we're gonna get started on this repair. Now this thing is super, super severe. I do paintless dent removal and specialize in hail damage, and this definitely is not hail damage and probably not a good candidate for paintless dent removal, but we're gonna give it a try anyways. Now this thing got severely, severely damaged. So the bumper's scuffed. Obviously that would have to go and be repainted. We're not gonna do anything with that today. We're just gonna try to pull this quarter out and make it look as best as possible. Probably not gonna be able to fix this perfect. Something like this really needs to go up on a frame rack, get hooked to the unibody, and make a couple of pulls on the frame rack to get that thing back where it needs to be. But I got a couple tricks up my sleeve, and I'm gonna see if I can bend this sucker back into place. The first thing I'm gonna do is to remove the bumper, remove the light. I borrowed a special tool. This thing is called a K-bar from Kiko. And so essentially it's a big pry bar, and we're gonna utilize that to try to pull out some of this damage. So not really sure what my plan of attack is on this, but we'll just set the camera off to the side and maybe do some time lapse, and we'll see if I can get this sucker out. So we're done with that, and I brought Ace the dog back to close. Okay, so we're done with that, and I brought Ace the dog back to close us out. So this repair wasn't great. Dare I say it wasn't even good. We just took something that was extremely terrible and made it less terrible. So I think this young man will be happy with it. I did it for free, so all because he did me a good deed and helped me shovel my snow. Things, and you never know, years down the road, somebody else may help you out. So anyways, that's all we got for today. We'll see you on the next garage, Dave's Garage. Say bye, Ace.
Mm-hmm.